Okay, as usual, kapag pumupunta tayo sa isang hotel, konting vlog. So, pumasok na ako sa, dahil ayoko nag-start sa labas, nakakahiya. So, pagpasok mo, ang makikita mo dito sa kaliwa ay, of course, dresser. Ayan, dresser. Okay, so sa kaliwa, dresser. And then, sa kanan is CR, restroom. So, ayan, nakikita nyo. Kung nakikita nyo. So, CR. So, this is the common CR. You'll find out later why I called it common CR. So, this is the common CR. Yan. So, pinaka-importante sa akin sa CR ay ang bidet. And good thing meron silang bidet. Yan. So, merong bidet. So, I hope nakita. So, anyway, the reason why I called it common CR is because itong unit na to ay may sala. So, as you can see, bububukas din si Shan. Ayan, si Shan. Hello ka, Shan. Shan, hello. Ayan. Anak-anakan ni, LCIF triathlete. So, meron siyang pagpasok mo. Ayan na rin si Inay Ara. Pumasok na rin. So, pagpasok mo, dito sa left side is merong parang kitchen area. So, as you can see, merong refrigerator. And then, sandamakmak na mga kung ano dyan. And then, sink. And then, the coffee area, which is the most important part, no? Coffee, yeah. So, yan, coffee, tapos mga cabinets, and then meron dining area. Ayan, dining area. So, yung dining area is katapat yung isang malaking TV. So, merong sala area. Ayan yung sala area. So, you can see dyan, yan yung sala area. May malaking bintana. So, and then, dito sa parang right side niya, merong the usual na office or study area, however you want to call it. So, syempre, nandyan na yung gamit namin. Yan, study area. I hope nakikita. Anyway, may massive painting dito for whatever artwork. Then, ito yung room. Okay, it's one bedroom. So, pagpasok mo dito, yan. Pagpasok mo, meron ding malaking TV dyan. And then, kama. So, see, kama. Ayan. Kama dyan. Big bed. Meron parang sofa area. And, of course, yung restroom or yung CR sa kwarto. Ayan. May bathtub dyan. Okay. And then, 2 sinks, which I like. Gusto ko yun. 2 sink. Ayan. Tsaka ayun. Gusto ko yung 2 sink dahil ayoko nagbabanggaan ng siko namin ni Inay Ara or ni Madam Beshi. And then, of course, meron din ditong ayan. May bidet din, no? May bidet din, which is good. And then, the shower area. And then, of course, cabinet sa loob ng CR. Okay? So, that's pretty much the restroom dito sa kwarto. And, of course, the view. So, makikita mo merong view. Although, inaayos pa yung Ilog Pasig. Pero, the view is Ilog Pasig and Rockwell. So, this is Ilog Pasig. And that's the Rockwell area. So, as you can see, nandito kami sa tapat ng Ilog Pasig. So, Ilog Pasig, ayan, that's the Rockwell area, no? So, that's pretty much it. So, I do hope that you enjoyed, no? Ito ko, pakita ko lang yung view din na malaki, no? Dito sa, sa sala area. Ayan, sa sala area. So, sa sala area, meron ding same view. So, we're basically in the corner side. Nasa, parang corner, no? So, yeah. Okay, so that's it.